Hello everyone. In this lab we will be doing the filtration part. Okay, so suppose I have a filtrate to filter. I have a solution that I need to filter now. Okay, now suppose I have a solution like this. Okay, I need to completely filter it out. Okay, to do this I need a glass rod. Okay, then a funnel, okay, and you need to have some filter papers with it. Okay, so let us start with this. First, have a tripod stand. Have a tripod stand with you. Okay, then place your funnel on top of it. Okay, take a beaker, place it inside. Okay, now to this what you need to do is take a filter paper, fold it into half. Yes, fold it into half. Then again you fold it into its half. Yes, now you are left with 4 parts like this, right? You have left with 4 parts like this. So take one part out and remaining one to the other side. Right? Did you see this? Now take your funnel out. Take your funnel out. Place it inside, and then you need to, partially wet a little bit. Wet it a little bit. Okay. Fine. Can you see this? Yes. Now, in this filter paper, you have to see this one thing. Whenever you place your filter paper, see that the down position should be like this, not like this. Okay? So just place it like this. Fine. Then place it on top of your tripod stand. Then take your solution which you need to filter. Okay, then slowly, okay, now place this glass rod, have this glass rod like this, and through the sides place it down slowly. Right? Okay, now you can clearly see that the filtrate has been completely over, and in this solution is very clear. Okay, you can see this clear. So this is how you do the filtration. So just remove this out, just squeeze a little bit, and then you can dry this off completely later on. Okay.